cruising down the back roads, windows down, radio blasting, kicking up dust, feeling the country atmosphere, heading to Bald Knob, Kentucky, where the good times away. Ain't no fancy city life, just simple country folk, yeah. Bald Knob, where the cows and cornfields roll. Bald Knob, where the moonshine flows. Bald Knob, where the banjos play. Grab your boots and let's ride, it's gonna be a hell of a day. Bar Creek, chilling in the shade, crack open the cold one, catching fish till the sun goes down. Nothing fancy or pretentious, just good old southern charm. In Bald Knob, Kentucky, life's the sweetest peach cobbler, y'all.